Good morning, everyone. My name is Charles John Amado, and my partner name is Jenny Rose Be, your reporters of Transcreation Performing Arts Dance. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to identify the different kinds of movements, to understand the benefits of dance, to appreciate the importance of dance in our body. Ang dance na po is art of form that uses body movements, either made out of on the spot or planned out, or movements and steps are choreographed and rehearsed beforehand. Dance isn't just performing. It's also used for exercise and training for other sports and etc. Ang dance is movement using a musical instruments. Evolution of dance. Dance evolution is the story of how dance styles and techniques have changed over time, influenced by culture, society, and technology. Kagaya ng mga sinaunang sayaw na bahagi ng ritual na nagiging mga katutubong sayaw na nagkukwento ng pang-araw-araw na buhay habang nagbabago ang lipunan. Nagbabago rin ang sayaw na may mga bagong estilo na lumilitaw mula sa iba't ibang komunidad at influence of the other country. Sa paglipas ng panahon, katulad ngayon, ang teknolohiya at mga pagbabagong panlipunan ay nagdulot ng mga bagong anyo ng sayaw. Each dance style carries its own history and meaning, mirroring the values and innovation of its time. Understanding this evolution helps us appreciate how dance has always been a powerful way for people to express themselves and connect with others across the world. Kagaya ngayon, pag-scroll mo sa social media, kunwari sa TikTok, may makita ka kaagad na sumasayaw. Mapaibang bansa man yan o Pinoy. Pag may nauusong trend is lahat nakakasabay. May mga sari-sarili silang mga entry. Yun ang impluwensya sa atin ng dance. At nakakapag-connect rin tayo sa ibang bansa. Yung mga sayaw nila is na-adapt natin sa sayaw din natin. Yung sayaw natin is na sasayaw rin nila by the help of our technology. The power of dance. Dance has been an integral part of human expression for centuries. Beyond its role as a form of entertainment, there are many proven mental benefits of dance, from reducing stress and anxiety to boosting self-esteem and enhance cognitive function. Dancing has the power to improve our emotional well-being in numerous ways. Ang pagsayaw ay maraming magandang naidudulot sa ating katawan. Hindi lang sa ating katawan, kundi pati na rin sa ating kaisipan.
Good afternoon, sir. This is my report about Transcreation Performing Art Dance. Creative outlet. Dance provide an outlet of creative expression, creating your dance routine of interpreting music through the movement, allow to the channel of emotion through in the unique and creative ways. This creative release can be incredibly and therapeutic and help to process complex feeling. Ito daw po ay isang sayaw na nagbibigay daan para sa malikhaing pagpapahayag, ang paggawa ng sarili mong mga step sa sayaw o mga pagbibigay kahulugan sa musika sa pamamagitan ng paggalaw at paghintulot sa iyong pahayag ng inyong mga emosyon at isip sa isang magkakaibang likhang pamamaraan. So just about the physical benefits of improved flexibility and stamina, it also a power of tools for the mental health benefits and stress reduction, mood enhancement, and increase of self-esteem, social interaction, cognitive benefits, body and awareness, and creative outlet it often can make a significant difference in our overall well-being. Dance is like nobody watching and experience the transformative power of movement on your mental and emotional health. Ang pagsasayaw ay maraming benepisyo tayong makukuha tulad ng pag-alis ng stress. Ang sayaw ay hindi lamang paraan sa physical na benepisyo tulad ng pagiging flexible at pag-improve ng stamina. Ito rin ay isang paraan para mapabuti ang kalusugan ng isip, makabawas ng stress at pag-angat ng mood, pakikisalamuha, mag-improve ng skill at pagiging sa sariling katawan at makatulong ito sa pagbabago ng sarili at sa mental at emosyonal na kalusugan. Dance movement. Movement can be broadly categorized in the locomotor and non-locomotor. It movements as well has other types based on a specific dance style and choreography. Locomotor movements is involved a traveling across space, while non-locomotor movements remain in place. Additionally, specific dance style often has a unique vocabulary of step and movements such as the 7 movements in ballet, dance movement. Sa dance movement, meron tayong dalawang uri. Ito ang locomotor at ibig sabihin ang paggalaw ng mga katawan. Non-locomotor ay hindi paggalaw. Locomotor movement, walking. A fundamental movements often use the base for other step. Ang walking po ang paglalakad ng isang pangunahing galaw kadalasang ginagamit bilang basehan sa ibang mga hakbang sa sayaw. Running. A fast version of walking uses speed and energy. Jumping. Lifting the feet out the ground and landing in the controlled manners. Hopping, jumping and the landing on the same foot. Skipping, alternate step with the hoop, creating rhythmic movement. Lifting, a jumping forward and a sideways, often for the elevation and distance. Galloping, sliding, gliding or moving of one foot in front of the others. Ito naman po yung non-locomotor movements. Bending, flexing a joint, often use the creative of dynamic of expressive pose. Ang sample po ng blending, yung pagsasayaw ng ballet. Ito po yung pinokontrol yung pag-bend ng legs and hips. Sunod naman po yung stretching. Stretching is essential of dancer targeting the muscles and at the back of the hips, crucial for the high kick and lift. Ang sample po nito yung butterfly stretch. Ito naman po yung twisting, rotating the torso or a limb around its axis. Ang twisting naman daw po isang dance with a perfect parties, a social gathering. Turning, rotating the body around its own axis. Ang turning daw po, ang sample daw po ng sayo nito yung ballroom dance. Spin and land in a control manners. Sunod naman po yung shaking. Vibrating a movement of body part quickly. Sample naman po ng pagsayaw nito yung twerking dance, twirling dance. Popular hips culture, shaking hips and the buttocks. Pagsasayaw po ng parang naikot-ikot lang. Stamping, foot movement with the force, often used for the rhyme and fact. Ito naman po, ang sample po nitong stamping, cheer dance, sample ng pagsayaw. Features of dance. There are some common features are present most form of the dance. Some of the key features of dance include movement. It's the most basic feature of dance. All forms of dance involves movement of the body, whether it a simple, complex, fluid, or percussive, slow, or fast. Ito naman po, sir, mostly daw po sa pagsasayaw, ang basic is movement. Involves dito yung kung paano sila sumayaw, kung paano sila gumalaw, o kung mabilis o mabagal. Rhyme, it refers to the rhyme. It refers to the timing of cadency of the movement in the dance. It's often created through the use of music, but can also create through other means such as body percussions or spoken words. Ito naman daw po yung timing pagdating naman po sa kanta o sa ng song. Kung ito ba ay mabilis, mabilis din ang galaw mo. Kung slow yung tugtog, slow din po siyang sa paggalaw. Expression. Dance is a power form of expression that can be communicate a wide range of emotion and idea. Whether it's through stable facial expression or dramatic movement, dancer use be the body convey their innermost through the feelings. Ito naman sir, expression. Pinaka naman yung kapag nagsasayaw tayo, nandun yung emotion mo through sa kanta, yung parang ibinabagay natin yung paggalaw natin through the song, and makikita natin yung emotional about sa facial, makikita natin kung masaya o malungkot. Form refers to the structure and organization dance movement. Different style of dance having a different form, such the form structural or ballet, or the improvisational structure of hip-hop forms. Structure. Space refers to the physical area where the dance take place. Dancer move through the space using a different pathway, level, and direction, creating a visual landscape, and can be both dynamic and visual stunning. Energy. Energy refers to the quality and intensity of the movement in the dance. Movement can be sharp or fluid, exclusive or subtle, and the dance can use to create a sense of tension, release and impact. Energy daw po, makikita natin yung quality ng isang tugtog, and then ang pagsayaw ang isang dancer, makikita mo kung paano sila sumayaw kapag ito ay mabilis yung tugtog. And then makikita niyo yung paggalaw ng isang dancer, mabilis din sila and energetic. Style refers to the distinct characteristic of each dance genre. It encompassed everything from the costume and music to be movement, culture, context, and help to define its style of the dance has a unique distinct. Sa style naman po, yung mga dancer, marami silang alam na gawing disenyo ng mga damit. Depende dun sa mga tugtog na pinipili nila, and then yung mga suot, kung mga uso, lalo na sa mga kabataan, uso na yung mga pantalon na punit-punit. Kapag mga hip-hop, yung mga nila sasayawin, mga style ng mga kabataan. Dimension of dance. In a dance, dimension refers to the spatial and temporal element that define a movement of choreography. These include size, shape and depth and space, as well as speed, rhythm, and duration of movement in a time. Spatial dimension. Size. The magnitude of the shape of movement from the small to large. Shape is overall from the outline of movement, which can be two-dimension, height and weight, or three-dimension, height, width, and depth. The level, the height of the movement about the floor, low, medium, and height. Direction is a path or orientation of movement. Meron daw po movement na toward, backward, and sideways. Focus. The point of attention is movement, whether the specific part of the body, particularly direction. Temporary dimension. Ang temporary dimension na meron pong speed, rhythm, and duration. Speed naman po is a rate which the movement of execute or accelerating and decelerating. Rhyme, the range of the beat of accent and the sequence of movement. Duration, the length of the time movement or sequence of movement lasts. Understand this dimension is crucial for the choreography and dancer is creating and interpreting dance. Example, changing the size of movement can alter its impact, while shifting the level of direction can create different spatial relation. Similarity, manipulating speed and rhythm can affect the energy and emotional expression of the dance. Thank you po.